Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a while, but that's okay though, because I'm back now and I'm back for good. So get ready to see me, a whole lot of me. Alright, anywho, so today's video is just gonna be, I'm just gonna show you guys like my go-to makeup, like my go-to everyday kind of makeup. It's a full face, it's not no natural or anything like that. Like it looks natural, but it's a lot of stuff on my face right now, so I figured I'd hit you guys off with that, you know. Why not break it back in, you know, since I've been gone for a while. Anywho, so if you're interested in watching this video and how I get to this, which is, you know, again, if I were to do my makeup every day, what I would do. You feel me? So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. This ain't new.
Okay, so to start off this look, I'm going to be using my Fenty foundation in the color 280. Right now I'm having a little bit of a love-hate relationship with this foundation, but you guys will see why in a second. So I'm just going to blend that out with my Real Techniques brush. So this is the love-hate. You see that? It's giving me this like Casper-y cast, but it only does that when I use a certain face lotion and I don't use a primer with it. I always just follow up with a beauty blender after I do my foundation just to make sure that everything is blended well. So next for my brows, I just brushed them out because I will not be waxing or threading them for a year. So I'm just brushing them crazy things out right now. I'm going to be using this e.l.f. pencil in the color Natural Brown. So I'm using the pencil to kind of draw shapes because they've been growing out and they're just doing whatever they want. So I got to kind of get them in check real quick. So after I use the pencil, I go in with the brow powder to fill it in. And to fill it in, I'm just going in with the Salon Perfect like double-sided angled brush with this brow kit that I got from Sephora. I know they're looking kind of crazy right now, but trust me, it's just a little bit of a process. So after I fill it in, I'm just going to go under and clean them up. I don't normally do that every day, but since I am growing them out, I have to. And I'm just using this e.l.f. Complete Coverage Concealer, which is not really ideal for oily skin, and I'm very dry, so we're good.
Mad ethnic right now. I get it how I live it. I live it how I live it. I pull it with a lemon. Nothing she ain't living. It's just your eyes get fitted. This ain't swimming. We ain't finished. I told you we won't stop. A nigga by the business. Like yours, but you winning. Wave around to the top. The bay wrong high. Tell the paparazzi get the lid rock. Got the window down, top blown up. Got the hazard on, only going far. You can catch me, really, in the new La Ferrari. And the driver handle got all. Yeah, longer than the car.
So after I finish cleaning up my under eyes, I'm just going to go in and highlight using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Natural. And definitely did not need to do my chin. I'm just going to spray this Charged Water by MAC onto my beauty blender and blend that all the way out. And to set my concealer, I will be using my Laura Mercier loose powder. So normally what I do after I set my concealer is I'll go in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Medium Golden just to kind of counteract some of that lightness. So for eyeshadow, I'm just going to be using my Morphe 350 palette. So I usually just stick with flesh tones just to put the warmth and put some color back into my skin. This is really all I do for the eyes. Next, I'm going to be using this Milani Rose blush. So for my highlight, I will be using the Anastasia Glow Kit in the color Moonstone. After I do my highlight is when I will set my face, and I'm just going to go back in with that charged water. For my lip liner, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Totally Toffee. So after I blend out the lip liner, I'm just going to go in with lip gloss, which is the Lorac Alter Ego in the color Granny. So mascara is the absolute last thing that I do. I like to build it up because for every day I'm not the one to put lashes on. So I just build that up. I start off with the Scandalize and I finish with the L'Oreal Carbon Black. I know I look pretty bright, but don't worry about that. It's just my ring light is really, really bright. But that is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.